rewritten the rules. Social media isn't what it used to be. Endless automation tools, robotic posts, and fake engagement, it's a saturation nightmare. And it's no secret. Organic reach is dead. Social media isn't broken. You're using it wrong. Those who know how to harness AI aren't struggling. They are crushing it. You simply don't know their playbook. They're using AI to their advantage, not drowning in it. They are still pulling in massive traffic, explosive engagement, and unstoppable sales without spending hours on social media every day. So what's their secret? How do they use AI to drive unlimited free traffic without breaking a sweat? But before that, what's really going on? Why are people failing on social media? Because if you don't know the cause, how can you fix it? Here are 3 reasons why most people fail at social media. Reason 1, AI versus algorithm. Platforms are cracking down on bad AI. Cheat the system and you're shadow banned. Play by the rules or you're invisible. Reason 2, inconsistent posting equals no growth. Platforms love consistency, but life happens. You can't post every day, and without engagement, your growth flatlines. Reason 3, trends are hard to keep up with. Trends move fast. By the time you jump on one, it's already old news. No trending content, no visibility, no strategy, no results, plain and simple. AI can't magically fix your social media unless you know how to use it right. Without a plan, it's just noise, not sales. And that's the good news, because 99.99% of marketers use AI wrong. And that's your advantage. What if you can make AI work for you, not against you? What if you can automate your entire social media strategy with AI from start to finish without breaking any rules and generate unlimited free traffic on demand to any page, offer, or product? Create hundreds of attention-grabbing posts, videos, and stories in any niche for any platform and schedule them for months with AI in just a few minutes. We took our most powerful and successful traffic strategy ever. That's already working and generating us 100,000 visitors per month. We integrated it with the latest AI to make it 100x faster, easier, and more powerful. And we made sure that there is simply no competition whatsoever in the market, because no one is doing this, maybe a handful, so you can have an absolute advantage. And today I'm going to show you how to tap into the power of social media and AI to generate unlimited traffic, engagement, and sales, hands-free. Hi, my name is Ram Rawat, and I am a marketing nerd that loves to solve complicated problems, especially for online marketers. And I am super grateful to be able to help over 60,000 marketers worldwide succeed with my training, strategies, and softwares, which in turn has generated me over $2,500,000 in sales in the last 4 years. I'll admit it, I used to get jealous seeing other marketers absolutely crush it on social media while I struggled to get even 10 likes. It felt like they had some secret I didn't. Then I discovered AI. At first, I thought I'd found the magic solution. It was cranking out hundreds of posts faster than I ever could. But guess what? No one cared. 0 engagement, 0 traffic, 0 sales. I felt completely defeated. One night, feeling defeated, I decided to zone out with a movie. I ended up watching The Matrix. Remember that moment when Neo realizes he can bend the rules of the Matrix, maybe even break them? That scene hit me like a freight train. Social media is its own kind of matrix, and AI, just a tool. Without the right strategy, I'd never escape the chaos. I dove headfirst into the algorithms, determined to figure out how they really worked. I studied patterns, tested posts, and reverse engineered what the top creators were doing differently. It wasn't easy, but eventually I cracked the code. It was like finding the cheat sheet to the Matrix. And it changed everything. I took everything I learned, hired the best developers, and created a true AI traffic genius. The first time I used my new strategy with AI, I felt like a mad scientist. And the results? Outrageous. Suddenly, my posts were reaching millions of people. My following grew exponentially. Engagement skyrocketed. And sales? Let's just say I never had to worry about those again. And today I want to share this with you so that you too can start getting traffic and make sales with any social media platform you want. Introducing TrafficBolt AI. Turn your social media into a 24/7 traffic and sales generator. TrafficBolt AI plus fail-proof strategies equals to unstoppable growth. Automate content creation, crack the algorithm, and watch as your traffic, followers, and sales explode day and night. It takes just 3 simple steps to unlock viral traffic, automate content, and monetize social media like a pro. Step 1. Connect, control, dominate. Plug in and link all your social media accounts in just a few clicks. From Facebook, Instagram, X, Twitter, LinkedIn, and more. Manage it all from one powerful dashboard and take the first step toward total social media domination. Step 2. Automate everything and let AI work its magic. Set your goals, define your audience, and let TrafficBolt AI do the rest. It creates viral-worthy content, schedules it at the perfect times, and handles the heavy lifting for you. Want to go completely hands-off? The autopilot feature has your back. Step 3. Traffic. Profits. On repeat. Track what's working, tweak what's not, and watch your strategy evolve in real time. TrafficBolt AI drives 24/7 traffic to your offers, turning every post into unstoppable profits, all while you focus on scaling your business. Here's what's waiting for you. Number 1. Create hundreds of attention-grabbing posts, videos, and stories in any niche for any platform in just a few minutes. Number 2. Schedule months of content in minutes, then sit back and watch the magic happen. Number 3. Get a competitive advantage by being the first to tap into this groundbreaking technology that will change the game. Number 4. Fully integrated with all the top social media platforms: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, X, and more. Number 5. Generate unlimited free traffic on demand to any page, offer, or product, hands-free. Number 6. Just set and forget and let AI do all the work. No more manual scheduling, posting, or writing. Number 7. 100% approved by social media platforms. Strictly follow the rules and avoid shadow bans or losing reach. Number 8. Stay ahead of the curve with Viral Trend Finder. Turn trends into traffic and engagement gold. Number 9. Finally cracked. No more struggle to keep up with the ever-changing algorithms of social media platforms. Number 10. Skyrocket your engagement. Build massive followers and monetize your traffic with ease. Number 11. Super easy to use, no tech skills needed, suitable for both newbies and experienced marketers. You also get access to our fail-proof social media system that will make sure you're not just shooting in the dark with AI, but actually using it to turn your social media into a traffic and sales machine. We will show you exactly how to transform your social media into a traffic-driving, engagement-boosting, profit-making machine. Steal our exact strategies to crush algorithms, automate content, and turn posts into moneymakers, and a lot more. So what's the price? Think about this: hiring a social media manager, easily $2,000 per month. Outsourcing content creation, another $1,000. Running paid ads, say goodbye to another $1,500 every single month. But TrafficBolt AI gives you everything you need: content creation, scheduling, automation, analytics. It's like having a team of experts minus the massive expense. Let's be real, most tools like this charge $99 to $297 every month. But with TrafficBolt AI, you're not stuck paying over and over. But for today, we're giving you the same premium features plus more at a one-time low price. No subscriptions, no hidden fees, just results. How can we afford to sell it for such a low one-time price? Because this is a limited time, one-time offer. After the launch, we will be increasing the price to match other AI platforms. That is, we will turn into monthly subscription model. We need lots of resources to run this business, and we need to make sure we can continue to make it available for all of you. And this way we will be able to support our operations more effectively, have enough resources for new features, and develop the platform further. Remember, the low one-time price will never be offered again. You will lose out big if you don't grab this deal now. Now, if you're skeptical regarding your investment with us, you should know that you're covered by our 100% money-back guarantee, which basically means that you can try it completely risk-free. Don't let his opportunity pass you by, or you will regret it later. TrafficBolt AI is the best, fastest, and easiest way to dominate, automate, and scale up your business. If you don't take action now, you will miss out on being one of the first ones to dominate your market with this revolutionary AI technology. So don't let that happen to you. Don't regret getting the TrafficBolt AI at a higher price, or worse, don't regret it when it's off the market. Get your copy now. See you inside.